Here's a recap for all our tips for the week. Hey look, here's how to measure how long a function takes to run in Python. First, import time, then define a function. Then say start time equals time.perfCounter, then call the function, then say end time equals time.perfCounter, then print end time minus start time. And that's it. Here's an easy way to remove a suffix that appears at the end of every value in a column. Here's an example. First, import Pandas. Here's an example data frame. Now say dfname equals dfname.stir.replace the suffix, an empty string, and that's it. Here's how to remove the rows of a data frame where the values in a column are NaN. Here's an example. First, import Pandas. Here's an example data frame. Then say dfcleaned equals df.dropNa subset equals and the name of the column. And that's it. Let me know what you want to see next, and like and subscribe to my new channel, please. Okay, bye.